typology file in which I created all the assets for this environment. From these rocks to these are the sculpted beams, some wooden parts that I have used in my environment with different designs. Obviously they have a different type of detailing if you see here closely. This structure, this wooden effect, this wooden effect, this wooden effect, all are the difference created manually with observing the reference that I have got. Some this effect also I have used. This part just basically come under the roof, so it's not visible over there. Then if you see closely, these are the tiles, all the set for the environment. This was the simple design I have the reference. This some sculpted for the stylized purpose. This was the great while working. Here is the tile for which I have created. This is the tileable texture we just can use as a trim sheet in. So fine guys, this is my ZBrush file I have done while creating this environment. Thanks. So before taking it for the baking, I just set up for good baking and good texturing output. Here there are some rocky parts. Here these are the tiles that I used to have on the roof. These are some metallic parts that are close to the burners in external. These are some gates, these are some smoky parts and all. This is the effect in paint, burning effect of the lava, and this is also the in which lava used to get. In the field, just getting you a bit more into the normal, whereas its normal also looks so good. Having detailed ZBrush sculpting over here, some over here also. This also gets looking a bit clean, normal. This position is looks like this one. Simple basic wireframe, not any extra polygon or extra surfaces. Untextured, gray, draft quality, and let's have this